What's good, YouTube? As you can see by the title, I am reworking my first pair of scrap denim jeans. These took me 5 days to do, I believe, because the panels were bigger, so it took up less time to pin everything together. Hope you guys enjoy the video. With that being said, let's get right into the video. So this is the before right here. I actually dyed these, as you can see right here. And this is the back right here. And then that's before. So I seam ripped everything here. I didn't get it on camera though, but yeah. That's the waistband stuff, I'm not using that. Or the back yokes, I made new ones. I still use the back pockets, didn't use the front pockets. I used the zipper, made a new fly guard and fly shield. So this is the new front pockets right here. This is all of the pieces cut up because I thought it would be easier to work with. And I ended up not using the little pocket right there. That's the coin pocket, zipper, and the new 2 yokes. And then I used the same belt loops and cut out the zipper, guard, and the shield. And I zigzag stitched the belt loops. And this is me doing one of the front panels. I actually lost the footage of me first starting, and this is me chalking everything up and going to cut it. This is the first front panel. This is me sewing it all up. So this is the first back panel. I actually forgot to record me putting it together. This is me chalking it up and cutting it out. This is me sewing it. This is me doing the other back panel. This is the back panel right here. I have to pin everything and cut it out. This is the back panel all pinned together. Now I have to sew it. This is me doing the other front panel. This is the front panel all pinned together. Now I have to cut it out. This is it, all cut out. Now I just have to sew it together. I like the white stitching because it makes it pop more, I think. And these are the back panels. These are the 2 yokes and the 2 back pockets. I ended up not using that one right there. These are the 2 front pockets, the coin pocket right there, and then the zipper and fly guard at the bottom. Now I have to sew the coin pocket onto the front pocket. This is the coin pocket sewed on. Now I'm doing the other pocket. This is the other pocket all sewed up. Right here I'm sewing the pocket to the front panel. And these are the pockets done. This is the other one. Now I have to do the zipper. And that's the zipper done right there. I added the yoke already. I did not record it, but now I have to sew on the back pockets. Back pockets are sewed on. Now I'm going to sew the back panels together. As you can see here, one of them is kind of bigger than the other. Now I have to do the second stitch down. So as you can see right here, the yokes are misaligned. So now I'm going to sew the inseam, front panel, and the back panel. So now I have to iron this and then sew the inseam all together. I feel like this was the hardest part because I had to catch the other side. Now this is it done right here. Now I have to do the outseam. Now I'm going to add the bias tape. So this is the bias tape sewn on, and I did the hem. Now I am putting together the waistband. I wanted to do this after because the last time I didn't have enough, so I had to redo it. So I just measured the pants and then I made the waistband. This is the waistband sewed together. I have to put it on the jeans. This is the waistband sewed on. Now I have to add the button and the 2 patches and the back tab. Right here I'm doing the belt loops. I forgot to mention that. So this is the finished product right here. I really like these more than the other ones because the white stitching really makes it pop more. And these are the patches that I added, a heart patch and this like weird smiley face patch that I had. And then this is the button. I used the original button that I had on the other pair, the first pair. And this is the back. The back tab can be used as a belt loop actually, so it can be seen when you are wearing the jeans. And right here I pointed out that the back pockets are too close to the edge. They should have been moved over more. As you can see here, I'm showing you that you can use it as a belt loop. This is the on body right here. So that's it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments which pair of jeans is your favorite, complex features or better late than never. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe. See you guys in the next video.